In today's video, I'm going to teach you Monday, how to add boards to an existing vibe. Go ahead and open Monday. In your browser, then sign into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, head straight to the board where you want to add a connection to another board. This is the board you'll be working from, and the goal is to create a column that links items from a different board so the two can work together more smoothly. When the board is open, look across the top of your columns until you find the option that says Add Column. Click that to open the column picker. Monday. Gives you a lot of column types here, so instead of scrolling through everything, use the search bar and type in Connect Boards. As soon as you see Connect Boards appear in the results, click Add to Board underneath it. At this point, Monday, will ask which board you want to connect. A list of available boards will appear, so choose the board you want to link to this one. Take a second here to make sure you're picking the correct board, especially if you have several with similar names. Once you select it, you'll usually see an option called Allow Linking to Multiple Items. Turn this on if you want one item in your current board to connect to more than one item in the other board. If you only want a one-to-one connection, you can leave that off. This depends on how you want your workflow set up. After that, click Connect Boards. Monday. will now add a new Connect Boards column to your current board. This is the column you'll use anytime you want to link an item here to an item in the other board. Now that the connection is created, the next step is to actually link items. Find any row in your board where you want to create a connection, then click inside the cell under the new Connect Boards column. A small menu or pop-up will appear. Click Link to Item. Monday. will then show you the items available from the board you connected earlier. From that list, choose the item you want to link. As soon as you select it, the connection is made, and you'll see that linked item appear in the cell. If you enabled multiple links earlier, you can add more than one item to that same cell. If you left that setting off, you'll only be able to connect a single item there. You can repeat this process for any other rows that need a connection. Just click the cell in the Connect Boards column, choose Link to Item, and pick the matching item from the connected board. This is especially useful when you're tying together related tasks, projects, clients, campaigns, requests, or status tracking across multiple boards inside the same workspace. One important thing to remember is that adding the Connect Boards column creates the relationship between the two boards, but the items themselves still need to be linked manually, unless you have automation set up. So if you don't see connected records immediately, that's normal. You still need to click into each relevant cell and select the item you want to connect. If the wrong board was selected when you created the column, you can remove that column and add it again, this time choosing the correct board. And if you're not seeing the board you want in the selection list, double-check that you have access to it in your workspace. In many cases, visibility and permissions affect what boards are available to connect. Once you've linked your items, you're done. Your current board is now connected to another board, and you can use those linked relationships to keep information organized and aligned across your workflow. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's all there is to it. Log in to Monday. Open the board you want to work with. Add the Connect Boards column. Choose the board you want to connect. Adjust the multiple link setting if needed. Click Connect Boards. Then link the specific items row by row. It's a simple setup, but it can make your boards much more powerful and much easier to manage when you're working across different areas of a project or team.